Discovering Canada, a dive into its industries. Hello, language learners. Today, we are journeying to the vast lands of Canada, where we'll explore the heartbeat of its economy, the key industries. Whether you're preparing for a business trip, planning to study in Canada, or simply eager to learn, knowing about these industries can offer you a deeper understanding of Canadian culture and its place in the world. Let's dive in. Canada is known for its expansive natural resources. From the Rocky Mountains to the vast forests, this nation's landscapes offer an abundance of resources. Mining. Canada is a global leader in mining, producing minerals like gold, nickel, and diamonds. Forestry. With its vast forests, Canada is a top exporter of timber and paper products. Energy. The country is rich in oil, especially in Alberta's oil sands, and natural gas, making it one of the world's largest energy producers. Though renowned for its natural beauty, Canada is also a hub for modern industries. Automotive. Ontario is a central hub for car manufacturing, with brands like Ford, General Motors, and Honda having major operations there. Aerospace. Canadian companies, such as Bombardier, design and manufacture aircraft and spacecraft products. Technology. Cities like Toronto and Vancouver are rapidly becoming technology hotspots, with startups and tech giants setting up shop. A significant portion of Canada's economy comes from services. Financial services. Toronto is often called the financial capital of Canada, housing major banks and financial institutions. Education. Canada is home to renowned universities, attracting international students from all over the world. Tourism. From Niagara Falls to the Northern Lights, Canada attracts millions of tourists yearly. Given Canada's vast landscapes and long coastlines, agriculture and fishing play vital roles. Agriculture. Products like wheat, barley, and dairy products are staples in Canada's agricultural output. Fishing. The country's Atlantic and Pacific coasts provide a bounty of seafood, including salmon, lobster, and crab. Canada, with its vast landscapes and modern cities, offers a diverse range of industries, from the traditional sectors like mining and forestry to the booming tech and service sectors. We hope this overview has given you a glimpse into the economic heartbeat of Canada. As you continue your English language journey, may you also discover the rich tapestry of cultures, ideas, and stories that countries like Canada have to offer. Happy learning!